Holy mother of Mike, it's time for another episode of Trippy Food. Today, we are going to do another installment of Goodbye Mr. Chips, but we're going to do it a little bit more interesting. So, what we have here are the 4 new Flavor Icons flavors of Lay's chips. These are limited time only. I think they're only available through September 10th, somewhere around that. And there are 4 different ones, and each one pays homage to a certain type of food, but from a certain place. So they have the Nashville Hot Chicken from Party Fowl in Nashville, New Jersey. There is the Wavy Carnitas Street Tacos from El Torito, which is in Marina Del Rey, California. We have Philly cheesesteak flavored from Gino Steaks of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and kettle cooked New York style pizza flavor from Grimaldi's in New York. So what we are going to do today is we are going to try 2 of these. Let's see, what do we want to do? Let's do the Philly cheesesteak and the New York style pizza ones. We're going to do those today on Trippy Food. These 2 we're going to review on Reckless Eating. So if you want to go over to Reckless Eating, this episode should be up there where I'm reviewing these. I'm going to do these on Reckless Eating, these on Trippy Food, and if you want to see all 4, you're going to have to watch both channels. So we're going to do today, we're going to do the Philly cheesesteak from Gino's and the kettle cooked New York style pizza from Grimaldi's. So let's start with the Philly cheesesteak. Now I will tell you that there are much better cheesesteaks in Philly than Gino's. Gino's and Pat's, those are the 2 biggies, the ones that everybody seems to go to. The touristy ones, everyone goes to Gino's and Pat's, but I mean, even Jim's is better. A Philly cheesesteak is not really that like a highbrow thing. It's cheese whiz, it's meat that's been sitting on the grill for a long time, and onions have been sitting on the grill for a long time and everything. It's not like the greatest sandwich in the world. The bread makes it better, but like I said, not the greatest sandwich in the world. So we're going to go ahead and try these. Here we go. Kind of a powdery coating on that. I don't know if they're trying to match the bread. Oh, you know what? It actually does have a savory taste to it. It does have a savory taste that's reminiscent of meat. And it does have a cheesy flavor. It's probably the powder. It's probably cheese powder. And again, the cheese they use at Gino's is usually cheese whiz. I don't like a cheese that's named after urine. I get kind of a hint of a cheesesteak sandwich. Again, kind of meaty, that cheese whiz flavor and everything. So I think they probably hit the mark on trying to match a Gino's steak. It's not like a intense flavor on it, but it's there and it is reminiscent. So it's a nice homage, and I'm gonna go ahead and give the Philly cheesesteak a big thumbs up. Well, not a big thumbs up, but a thumbs up. So, you know, I could see where maybe if you closed your eyes, you would say cheesesteak. I don't know if you'd say Gino's, but you know, it's close. It's not bad. All right, let's go ahead and try the kettle cooked New York style pizza from Grimaldi's. It smells like pizza. It smells like the seasoning that you put in the pizza sauce. And they are red, so I'm wondering if that's kind of what they did. These are kind of powdery too. I would imagine it's not really difficult to mimic pizza taste because you need tomato, you need Italian seasoning, you need mozzarella cheese. I don't see how anybody would be able to track this to a particular pizza place, like eat this and go, oh my god, that tastes just like Grimaldi's in Brooklyn. Brooklyn? Or wherever they are. Somewhere in New York. I mean, this could be Domino's pizza. It's like, I would say like they are pizza flavored, you know, without any toppings, without any meat or toppings or anything like that. It definitely evokes pizza. Not great pizza though, but that's pretty good. So I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. Maybe not a big thumbs up, because they hit the mark on making it taste like pizza. But I can't say, oh my god, it tastes just like Grimaldi's. You get the tomato, you get the Italian seasoning, little bit of basil, and that cheesy taste. So yeah, I think in both cases, thumbs up. Maybe not big thumbs up, but they're pretty good. They're pretty good variety of chips. So if you get a chance, get out and try these two. Now, if you want to see a review of these two, you're going to have to go over to Reckless Eating and check out our review of these two chips on Reckless Eating. Be sure to give them some love. Be sure to subscribe to them. Be sure to check them on Twitch and on Twitter because they're really great guys. We love working with them. And yeah, check that out there. So remember, it's crazy out there. So be careful. Take care of others. Take care of yourselves. And we'll see you soon. Thanks for checking out Trippy Food. If you enjoyed watching that video half as much as I did making it, well then I enjoyed it twice as much as you did. And if that's the case, you'll probably like this video right here. And if not, check out this video right here. That one's a little bit different. Either way, leave a comment down below. And be sure to subscribe by clicking on the Trippy Food icon right here. Glad you could make it, and we hope to see you again soon.